Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. All right, let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever wondered if you're more of a trader or an investor? Like, what even is the difference, right? I mean, we always hear people say stuff like, I'm trading stocks or I'm investing for the long term. But apparently, those two, they ain't the same thing. And choosing the wrong one, that could totally mess up your financial goals. So today, let's break it all down. So first up, what's the actual difference between investing and trading? All right, think of investing like a slow cooker. You're buying stuff like stocks, ETFs, maybe even real estate, and you're holding on to them for years. It's all about building wealth bit by bit over time. You're in it for the long game, like planning for retirement or setting up passive income. Now, trading, that's more like using the microwave. You're buying and selling assets quickly, sometimes in a few days, sometimes hours, and yeah, even minutes. The whole idea? Quick profits by catching short-term price moves. So both deal with the markets, but trust me, the mindset, totally different. All right, next, why do people pick one over the other? Well, it kind of depends on two big things, your goals and your personality. See, investors usually go like, I want my money to grow slow and steady without too many headaches. Traders, they're more like, I want to catch those price swings, make a profit, and get out quick. But here's the catch. Trading can give you big wins, but also big losses, especially if you're not careful. Investing, on the other hand, it's more about staying consistent, letting compound interest do the work in the background. So both are cool, but they're built for different people. Next up, when should you invest or trade? If you've got time on your side, like you're in your 20s or 30s, and you're planning for retirement, then investing might be the better move. But let's say you've got some extra cash plus the time and knowledge to watch the markets closely. That's when trading might work. Here's the thing though, timing really matters, especially for traders. Markets can be wild, man, and one bad decision in a volatile week, oof, that can hurt. So yeah, investing gives you time. Trading, you need precision. All right, let's talk about where this all happens. I mean, nowadays it's all online. You've got apps and platforms like Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, Webull, eToro. Investors, they usually just need something simple. A solid brokerage, a clean dashboard, and they're good to go. But traders, they need more tools like charts, indicators, real-time news, and fast execution. So yeah, pick your platform based on your style. Next, who should be investing and who should be trading? Let me be honest here. If you're just starting out, you probably want to start with investing. Why? Because it's less risky, less emotional, and it's something you can learn over time. Trading takes skill. It takes practice and nerves of steel. If you panic every time the market drops, trading's probably not for you. But if you're curious, analytical, and love reading charts, you might enjoy the thrill of it. Just know, this game ain't for the faint-hearted. All right, last one. How do you actually get started? If you're going up a brokerage account, start with index funds or strong companies, then just set it, forget it, and keep adding money regularly. Simple stuff. But if you want to try trading, start small. Better yet, try paper trading first. It's like simulation trading with fake money, helps you learn. And please use stop losses to limit risk. Only trade with money you can afford to lose, no exceptions. All right, so there you have it. Investing versus trading, two different worlds, both with their own pros and cons. So now, what do you think suits you best? Drop it in the comments. And hey, if this video helped you out, smash that like button, maybe hit subscribe for more Money Talk content. Catch you in the next one.